Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to your GK classes. I hope you all are fit and fine at home and studying properly. Today, in this session, we are going to complete lesson 18 and 19. Before that, I have given you lesson 15, 16 and 17. Today, we shall complete lesson 19 and 18. 18 lesson is branches of science and 19 lesson is how the body works. Yes children, first of all we shall start from lesson 18, branches of science. Science is a study of the world around us. There are various branches of science. Yes children, as we look back, we can see that in our ancient world, so much development we can see that how is it possible? Yes children, it is possible with the help of science. Science plays very important role in our day-to-day life. Science plays very important role to develop our society. Science makes our life easy. Science has many branches as physics, chemistry and biology, etc. As physics taught us about the machines, chemistry taught us about the chemicals and bio taught us about the human body. In this lesson, children, many other branches of science you will come to know about the other branches of science also. In this lesson, picture is given there and statement is given there. We have to fill the name of the branch of that particular branch of the science. So children, we shall start 1 to 9 branches. Name of the branches are given there. Now we shall start with the first one. First one is dash is the study of birds. The study of birds is called ornithology. The study of bird is called ornithology. The second one is dash is the study of remains of the past. It is called archaeology. It is called archaeology. 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 The third one is dash is the study of weather. It is called meteorology. It is called meteorology. 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 The fourth one is dash is the study of the earth. The study of the earth is called geology. The study of the earth is called geology. The fifth one is dash is the study of animals. The study of animal is called zoology. 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 The sixth one is dash is the study of life. The study of life is called biology. What is it called? It is called biology. 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 The seventh one is dash is the study of human behavior. The study of human behavior is called, children, the answer will be psychology. 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 In this psychology, P will be silent. After that, the eighth one is dash is the study of human brain. The study of human brain is called neurology. 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 The ninth and last one is dash is the study of diseases. The study of diseases is called pathology. 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 These are the answers. Children, once we shall revise the answer and check it. First is ornithology, second is archaeology, third answer is meteorology, fourth answer is geology, fifth answer is zoology, sixth one is biology, seventh one is psychology, eighth one is neurology, and ninth one is pathology. Now children, we shall move to lesson 19. Lesson 19. Open your book on lesson 19, page number 24. The name of the lesson is How the Body Works. Yes children, before this, when I have told you that in biology we are studying about human life. In this lesson, we shall come to know about some organs which are working properly in our body. Our body is a wonderful machine. It is made up of many organs. Each organ performs a specific function. All the organs work together to keep us alive and healthy. Yes children, when all the organs of our body functions properly, then only we can feel alive, we can do our work, and we can be healthy. In this lesson, some questions are given there and options are also there. What we have to do? We have to choose the correct answer. So children, let's start. Yes children, first question is, which sense organ helps the body to keep its balance? The options are nose, ear, skin. Yes children, the answer will be ear. First answer will be ear. Ear helps us to keep our sense organs in balance. The second question is, which organ system protects the body against diseases and infections? The options are digestive system, immune system, circulatory system. Yes children, the answer is immune system. I-M-M-U-N-E, immune, S-Y-S-T-E-M, immune system. The second answer is immune system. Yes children, immune system protects our body against diseases and infections. The third question is, which is the hardest substance in the body? The options are enamel, bone, cartilage. The answer will be enamel. What will be the answer? The answer will be enamel. Enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. The fourth question is, which tube-like structure carries food from mouth to stomach? The options are esophagus, kidney and liver. The answer will be esophagus. The answer will be esophagus. The fifth question is, which organ system removes waste material from the body? The options are respiratory system, skeletal system and excretory system. The answer will be excretory system. Fifth answer will be excretory system. Yes children, the excretory system removes the waste material from our body. If the waste material will not come out from our body, our body will become poisonous. The sixth question is, which bean-shaped organs filter the blood and form urine? The options are lungs, kidneys, pancreas. The sixth answer is kidney. 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 Yes, children, kidneys filter the blood and form the urine. The seventh question is, which gland releases hormones that control metabolism? The options are pituitary gland, pancreas and thyroid gland. The answer will be thyroid glands. The seventh answer will be thyroid, thyroid, gland, thyroid gland. The eighth question is, which tissue connects a muscle to a bone in the body? The options are tendon, ligament, cartilage. The answer is tendon. The tendon tissue connects the muscle and a bone in a body. Eighth answer is tendon. The ninth question is, what is the main organ of the respiratory system? The options are stomach, lungs, heart. The answer will be lungs with the lungs. With the help of lungs, children, we can breathe in and breathe out. The 10th question is, which organ system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels? The options are digestive system, skeletal system and circulatory system. The answer is circulatory system. Yes children, all these are the answer. I hope you have put the tick mark against the correct answer. Now we shall revise once again. The first answer is air, second is immune system, third is enamel, fourth is esophagus, fifth one is excretory system, sixth one is kidneys, Seventh one is thyroid gland. Eighth one is tendon. Ninth one is lungs. And 10th one is circulatory system. So children, I hope you all have completed these 2 lessons. Today we have completed our session. In next session we shall be together and learn more things about the world and about our surroundings. Okay children, thank you and goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you all.